all of the heart departed out of the people. Go ahead.
And the evil abode still.
But the evil remained. The sinful nature remained in the people. Starting with what? Adam. He's the root of that malignity that was in all the people, the rebellion. Now, get Ezra 9, chapter 9, verse 18. And by the way, that's not in Genesis. That's why God asked him, who said that you were naked? Because Adam didn't know he was malignant. He didn't know that was in him. But once he took that damn tree, he learned, oh, damn, why am I doing this? Oh, man, I'm sinful. He thought he was good. He wasn't good. Not fully.